Okay, let me put up my cane over here. And put that off to the side. And I hope you could see that. Okay, check out Tim Pool. They're talking about why SJWs always look like that. It's a young lady, I believe. It's a great thumbnail. That's why Uncle On doesn't do thumbnails. Okay, let's stop that over here. That's close enough. And take off the hat. It's kind of hot today. It's still in the low hundreds, but Uncle On's cooking right now, so just horrible. Okay, today we're going to talk about mind control. SWJs are mind control. 99.9% of Americans are all mind control in one way or another, by television or by other means. Now, it got worse in the last 30 years because when they started doing mind control on people, that was back in the late 40s and 50s. Earlier versions kind of failed. And being Nazis and out of work in the 40s, they told several ideas to the U.S. government, CIA mostly, of controlling people with certain actions. Now, this led up until 1978 on controlling people's minds. Unfortunately, it failed, and thank God. The rest of them, they went to Wall Street. Wall Street, Hollywood, big business, you name it. But they had to pace their time. They can only do certain things to affect the human mind. And mind control is one of the easiest forms to make money. If Uncle Alan didn't have lots of morals, he'll be doing mind control. Now, this is a short video. I'm going to keep it under 3 minutes. Reason why is your attention span on the phone and also certain colors the phone gives off that you lose interest after 3 minutes. So, you're a normal person. For years you've been conditioned and brainwashed for certain events. Now, a lot of black people, African Americans, a lot of Latinos are conditioned to a certain way. It's really easy. It's not that hard. You could trigger them like that. And then we'll talk other things about in the mind control section. You don't need special goggles to see them. Okay? And that's a whole different subject. So I'll catch you later. Bye, folks.